guys, I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Tonight we're going to be making meatballs and gravy. I have a pound of ground beef here. Got another storm. Well, I mentioned a couple of days ago that our internet and cable was out. Well, it fried our 65-inch TV, one of our 32-inch TVs, and Tony's PlayStation 4.
So, oh. We had a pause. Okay, it's back on.
Huh?
It's back on. Go.
I don't know what the heck the problem is. Anyway, we have one 32-inch left. We just put it in the bedroom for now. Alright, I've got my 1 pound of ground beef. I'm going to add some onion powder. All these are to taste. And some granulated garlic. An egg beaten. Some black pepper. Some salt. And I am going to measure this one. About a 1/4 cup of bread crumbs. I'm going to put my gloves on so I can mix these up. I'm going to get a plate to put them on after I make the balls.
Meanwhile, we'll stare at the mixture.
Hush, Tony.
Make sure it doesn't do anything.
Anyway.
Oh, Lord.
Now we're heading... What is he saying? Anyway.
Nothing. Shut up.
It's turning black outside. We're heading for another storm, I guess. I guess we're getting all that from Thesis. Alright, when you mix this up, you just want to bring it all together. You don't want to mess with it too much. But bring it all together. Make sure everything's combined well. I am going to be cooking these over at the stove. I am not bothering with that burner for this. Oops. And just mix up some balls, some meatballs out of it. Size is all determined to you. You determine the size of balls you want. Some like them big, some like them little, but some like them just right. Anyway, I'm going to finish making these meatballs, and I'll meet you over at the stove to cook them. Alright guys, I've got my burner on medium high to spray it, and I'm just going to drop these in here. And I'm going to let these cook probably about 8 to 10 minutes. I am going to cover them. Then I'll bring you back whenever these are done and I start the gravy. With this tonight, we're going to eat these over egg noodles and we're going to have some peas. Alright, we'll be back shortly. Are you hearing? Anyway. Alright guys, these are done. What I've got is I measured what little bit of was left in here, and I added butter for a total of 3 tablespoons of oil in the bottom. And I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. Over here I have 2 cups of beef broth that I've mixed up with broth base. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to brown this flour. We had company real quick. She had never seen my kitchen. Because she knew I had a YouTube channel, but she'd never seen my Little Red Southern Kitchen. Her home is beautiful. She lives here in Walterboro. She's an older woman, but very sweet. So, alright, let me bring y'all back whenever this is browned. I'll show you how brown I want it before I add my broth to it. Be right back.
Okay.
That's as brown as I got it. Now I'm going to add the 2 cups of beef broth. I'm not making a whole lot because it's just me and Tony. I got like 14 meatballs. And combine this good, and it's going to thicken. Put the meatballs back in there. Put a lid on it and let it sit for about, well, till everything's done, probably about another 5 or 6 minutes, and we'll meet y'all back over at the stove. I mean at the bar, so we can plate everything up. See you shortly. Alright, our meatballs and gravy's done. I did add some salt and pepper to this. I tasted it and definitely needed it. Got some egg noodles, and we're going to eat it over. You could also kind of make it like a stroganoff and put some sour cream over this. Would be good, but I just want the good old brown gravy over it. And some sweet peas. And yes, I'm just fixing my plate again. Alright guys, our meatballs and gravy is done. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. Share this out on your social media. Leave me a comment, give me a big thumbs up. Alright guys, supper's ready. Bye.